Welcome to Riddhi. Now we are going to solve system of circles JEE problem. System of circles chapter JEE means problems. In that module 1. Module 1 topic name is angle between two intersecting circle. First topic, angle between two intersecting circles. I am not writing any options. The first question is, if radii of two circles are two circles are 4 and 3 and distance between centers is root 37, then the angle between the circle is, then the angle between the centers is, this is a JEE system of circles, JEE means problems, and the in the module 1, in that the first topic is angle between two intersecting circle. Here this is the first question, given question, that is, if radii of two circles are 4 and 3 and the distance between the centers is root 37, then the angle between the centers is. First understand the question, then try to solve this question. He is given two circles here. The figure for this one is two circles. I am taking here, having center C1 and having center C2 for the, this is S is equal 0, this is S dash is equal 0 here, and the distance between two circles is root 37, and R1 is he is given 4 and R2 is 3 here. The given data is, no need to write given data each and every steps here, just the angle between formula cos theta is equal d square minus R1 square minus R2 square by 2 into R1 R2. Just this is the formula to find the angle between two circles here, and here d square he is given, d is nothing but root 37, that is distance between two circles, root 37 whole square minus 2, R1 square is nothing but 4 square, next R2 square is 3 square divided by 2 into 4 into 3, R1 R2, 2 into R1 R2. Here root 37 is nothing but square and root get cancelled, 37 minus 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9 divided by 4 is 12, 24 here, 37 minus 25 divided by 24, so 37 minus 24 by 12, 12 by 24, 12 1 ja, 12 2 ja, that is equal to 1 by 2 here. Cos theta is equal to here, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is nothing but cos 60. Cos theta is equal, at what value 1 by 2 in cos theta? At cos theta is equal cos 60 here. So here if you compare theta is equal to how much? 60 degrees. The angle between two circles is 60 degrees. This is about the first question, and the next question in this topic is, first understand the question, then only try to solve the question. Blindly you can solve, you won't get the answer. First understand the concept involved in the question, then only you are able to solve the question. And the second question is the angle between the circles. The angle between the circles, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal 0, and one more circle, x square plus y square plus 8x minus 4y plus 11 is equal to 0. Here he is given two circles, that is two circles, no need to write the given data, just assume this question first of all. Here he is given two circles, that is S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0, and here we need to find the angle between these two circles. These two are intersecting here like this, these two are intersecting like this, this is having C1, this is having C2 here. So just we need to find angle between the formula. So our formula is cos theta is equal d square minus r1 square minus r2 square divided by 2r1 r2. Here we want d r1 r2, that's it, d r1 r2. Here if you want to find r1 first, r1 is equal to g square plus g1 square f1 square minus c1, that is equal to g is nothing but minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 whole square, minus into minus become plus 3, that will become 4 plus 9 plus 3. How much? This is the value, 2 square, g is 2, half of this one, f is half of this one, 3, minus into minus become plus 3 here. So 12 plus 4, 16, root 16 is nothing but 4, r1 is equal to, we got, this is 4 here, r1, and r1 is equal to 4. And R2 is equal to how much here? G2 square plus F2 square minus C2, that is nothing but here half of this one 4 whole square, next half of this one minus 2 whole square, next minus 11 here, that is nothing but 16 plus 4 minus 11, 16 minus 4, 5 plus 4, that is root 9, that is nothing but 3 here, this is 3 here. R2 is equal to 3 here, we got D. D is nothing but the distance between C1 and C2. C1 from this circle, C1 is minus G minus F. Here G is minus 2, G is minus 2, minus G is nothing but plus 2. Here C1 is nothing but 2 comma 3. C1 is 2 comma 3. Here C2 is minus 4 comma 2. C1 is 2 comma 3. Directly I am writing from this C2 the center and half of this one, and signs will be changed. Half of this one sign will be changed. So here half of this one sign will be changed. Half of this one sign will be changed. This is the shortcut trick to find the center of the two circles. C1 C2 distance, C1 C2 square root of minus 4 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square, that is nothing but 6 whole square plus minus 1 whole square, that is nothing but root 36 plus 1, that is equal to square root of 37. This is the D here, G here. Let's substitute the values in this formula. Cos theta is equal D square root 37 whole square minus r1 square, r1 square is nothing but 4 square, r2 square is nothing but 3 square divided by 2 r1 r2, 4 into 3. Next square and root get cancelled, 37 minus 16 minus 9 divided by 4 is 12, 12 3 is 24. Next that implies 37 minus 25, that is equal to 12 by 24. 12 1 ja, 12 2 ja, 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 2 answer we got. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to cos of here pi by 3. So theta is equal to pi by 3. The option is pi by 3 here. And I am solving this much of time here. So I am taking more time here to calculate the answer. So I am explaining, that's why this is taking too much time. If I want to solve by my own myself, here directly I can take directly. How can I take the values here? So simply observe clearly. This is a solving process here to reduce our time. How to solve this question quickly? So direct R1 write R1 here 2 square 4, next 3 square 9 plus 3, write you directly, that is the value of 16, that is nothing but 4. Take directly R1. R2 also directly. Next 4 square is 16, 2 square is 4 minus 11. So that is 9, root 9, that is nothing but 3. Directly take R2. And next C1 is half of this one and change the sign. 2 half of this one, change the sign. 2 common. C2. Next half of this one minus 4 and half of this one change the sign. That is plus 2. Distance is minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 whole square 36, right? And 2 minus 3 minus 1, that is whole square 1. So root of 37, D is equal. Just substitute the values in directly formula. No need to write the formula. Directly substitute 37 square minus 16 R1. 16 minus 9 divided by 2 into 2. 4 is 12, 24. Directly write this. So 12 by 24. 12 1 is 12 2 is. If you solve like this, then only easily to crack the question within the time. Otherwise, it will take more time. No need of any steps here to solve this question. And the next topic is radical axis of two circle. Radical axis of two circles. In that, the sixth question, observe the following statements. Observe the following statement. Observe the following statements. In that, first statement is the length of the tangent from any point. The length of, I am writing quickly, tangent at any point on the line that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, and to the circles x square plus y square plus 9, x square plus y square is equal to 9, and x square plus y square plus 4x, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y is equal to 19 are equal length. This is the first question. Why? Because I am explaining this problem. These are the different types of model here. This is one more condition he is giving, and then there is only one point such that tangent from, there is only one point from the tangents from its to be. So I just read this question. No need to write it. No need to waste our time here. So the length of the tangent at any point on the circle to the line. This is the line he is given. The first point I am taking to the circle, and he is giving two circles. This is s is equal 0 and this is s dash is h1 is equal 0. S dash is equal 0. And here let's subtract s minus s dash. So that will become s dash minus s minus s dash is equal 4x plus 6y minus 19. 4x minus 69 minus 19 minus 9 is equal to plus 9 is equal here. So then what will happen here? 4x plus 6y minus 10 is equal 0, and if you take 2 as common here, 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal 0. Let's send this value. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 here. S minus s dash is equal 0. So this is, we are getting the same value. So that's why they are equal length to the circle here. And the second point, conclusion 1 is true. 1 is true here. We are finding s minus s dash is equal to the same answer. And the second point, there is only one point such that the tangent from its to 3 given non-concentric circle whose center non-collinear or equal in length. So For example, for non-concentric circle, he is saying there is only one point. Simply think about it. So if you take any radical center for any circles, there will be only one radical center. That's why at the beginning only it is true here. So this one is also true. So both the conclusion 1 and 2 are true here about this question. This is the solution for this question. And the next question is next topic. These are the types are called statement and conclusion. If the statement 1 is correct, options are like statement 1 correct and statement 2 is correct, both the statement correct, either 1 are correct, neither nor are correct, neither nor are 2 correct. This is about the options. And the next question is in the same concept, question number 9. The slope of the radical axis, the slope of radical axis of the circles next x plus 2 whole square, next y plus 3 whole square is equal to 25, and x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square, that is equal 25 is. First understand the question number 9. He is given the slope of the radical axis, for these two circles here we want. So for that radical axis slope we required. This is the question here. So I am taking two circles, this is one circle and this is one more circle. This is a radical axis. Here this slope, here question mark. This is slope of this line is question mark. Here C1, C2, S is equal 0 and S dash is equal 0. No need to write all these things, just understanding purpose I am writing here. So here if you want to find radical, first we need to find the radical axis. If you want to find radical axis, what is the formula? S minus S dash is equal 0. Then we will get radical axis. Radical axis is a straight line. After getting straight line, we can find the slope of straight line. Then we will get the answer. So let's take the circle equation. Directly I am expanding x square plus y square, x square plus y square, 2 to ja 4x, next 2 3 ja 6y and 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9, 4, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 plus 9, 13 minus, if you bring 25 to left hand side that will become 0, that is 13 minus 25 is again minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the expansion of first equation. Next x square plus y square, next 1 into 2 2x, next 1 into y 1 into 2 2y, next 1 square is 1 1 plus 1 2 minus 25 minus 23, that is equal 0. This is equation number 2. H minus S dash is equal 0. Let's subtract 4x minus 2x. Directly I am subtracting. These two are cancelled here. 4x minus 2x 2x, 4x 4y minus 2y, that is 6y minus 2y 4y, minus 12 minus into plus become 12, minus into minus become plus, minus 12 plus 23, that is nothing but plus 12. So 1 11. So that is nothing but plus 11 here, and here it is in the form of ax plus bx, ax plus by plus. So y is equal minus 4y is equal, here we want 2x plus 3, 2x plus 11. Here we want only y is equal to mx plus c. So 2 by minus 4x plus 11 by 4. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Y is equal minus 1 by 2x plus 11 by 4. So if you compare this equation with y is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to minus 1 by 2. Slope of this radical axis is minus 1 by 2. Equation of radical axis 2x minus 4y plus 11 is equal to 0. This is the equation of radical axis. Slope of radical axis is minus 1 by 2. This is the solution for this question here. And the next question is and the next bit is radical center and orthogonal circles. Radical center and orthogonal circles. This is a topic name, and in this topic name the question number is 11. The question is 11, and the question is radical center of x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 3. The radical center of circles x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 2 plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0, and one more circle is given x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y minus 9, and x square plus y square plus 2x 3y minus 9. 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 is. First understand the question here. It's given radical center of 3 circles. It's given radical center of 3 circles. Just we need to find the radical center here. This is S1 is equal to 0. This is S2 is equal to 0. This is S3 is equal to 0. Radical center is nothing but here. This is the radical center. These are S1 minus, this is S1 is equal to 0, S2 is equal to 0, S3 is equal to 0. S1 is nothing but S1 minus S3. Sorry, this radical axis is S1 minus S3 and S1 minus S2, and this is S2 minus S3. So then we will get 3 radical axes. From the 3 radical axes, the point of intersection of radical axis is called radical center. This is the definition, and according to that I am just finding any two S1 minus S dash here. So the point I am taking any two here. So S1 minus S2, I am finding x minus y square, x square get cancelled. Next x minus plus, so x minus x plus 2x, minus to minus become plus, minus x minus 2 plus 2x, that is the plus x, 3y minus 2y, that is y, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the S1 minus S2 radical axis we got here, and I am subtracting this one also. Minus 2x minus 4x. Next 2y minus 3y minus y. S2 minus into minus become plus, that is 11 is equal to 0. This is S2 minus S3. So here we got these two values. I am solving these two equations. Radical axes we will get the point of intersection here. So adding two equations, y plus y minus y gives 0, minus 3x, x minus 4x minus 3y, and minus 5 plus 11 is plus 6 is equal to 0, minus 3x is equal to minus 6, minus get cancelled, 3 1 3 2 x is equal to, we got here 2. Let's substitute this value in this equation. 2 plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, y minus 3 is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. then x comma y is equal 2 comma 3. Here ultimately we need to find the three lines point of intersection. Here if you can find 3 point of intersection also, but it will take more time. To reduce our time, any two lines, if you take the point of intersection is called radical center. He is saying radical center only, so no need to check whether it is a radical center or not. He is saying in question only, he is saying the radical center is the point here. If you take any two lines point of intersection, is also a radical center of this question here. And this is a shortcut trick to find the cancellation process. No need to here find any two radical axes here. On solving two radical axes, we will get the x and y point. This is the radical center of this question. And the next topic is and the next question, common chord of the circles. Common chord in that the question number 22. If the circles x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c is equal 0 and bisect the circumference of the circle x square plus y square plus 2g1x plus 2f1 pi plus c1 is equal 0 and then the length of the common chord. Then the length of the common chord is, first read the question. See, a circle is bisecting the another circle of circumference, then the length of common chord is. So I am taking a circle. I am taking a circle. I am taking this circle. So if one more circle is bisecting the two circles, then it will become like this. This is s is equal 0, this is s dash is equal 0. Here length of common chord, here two circles are intersecting. This is a common chord for both the circles. This is a common chord. This is the length of common chord. So what is the common chord for the circle here? This is a common chord circle for this one. So common chord is nothing but this is the diameter of this circle. Diameter of this circle. Here generally from this circle the radius r is equal g1 square plus f1 square minus c1. This is the radius. Diameter is nothing but double of radius, 2 into g1 square plus f1 square minus c1. This is the diameter of the circle here. This is the common. Diameter is nothing but common chord for the circle. This is a common chord for the both the circles, and this is the diameter of this circle. This diameter is nothing but common chord of the two circles here. This is all about the module 1 problems here. In module 1 all the topics from each topic we discussed some problems here, and by your own solve all the module 1 problems as well as here theory bit problems and then solve module 1 completely. If you have any doubts, please ping me in the group. and I can clear the doubts. I can clear all your doubts and try to solve all the questions by your own, by not looking at answers. Then only you are able to crack all different types of questions and complete all circles problems, theory bit problems, and all modules also. If you have any doubt in circles and system of circles, I can clear your doubts, and in next session we will discuss about module 2 and different topics and their problems also. Thank you.